Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In Agentforce, you might notice that in the header, only the chat is showing and agent is not responding at all. Now you might be thinking, why I am getting this error? Don't worry. This usually happens because you skip one simple setting, the remote site setting. So here is exactly what you need to do. First, go to the setup and type the domain and select it. After this, you have to copy this Experience Cloud site domain URL. Again, go to the quick find box and type the remote site setting. After this, you have to create a new remote site setting. Give the site name, like I am giving the site name is site demo, and pasting that URL here and saving this URL. Error is protocol not specified, so you have to add the HTTP s:// okay, and just save it. After this, once you refresh the community site page, you will see that the error is gone and everything works just fine. Let's see. This page is taking some time. Now you have to end this chat, close this chat, and again you have to open this chat. And now you can see the error has been gone. So if you like this video, do like, subscribe and follow for more such kind of video. Thank you. Bye bye.